The AKASO Keychain. The ultra-lightweight 4K vlog camera with EIS 2.0 stabilization and 60-minute recordings. This camera is extremely convenient with multiple accessories that add to the functionality of the camera. This camera can connect to the app to change settings and even has a built-in LED ring light around the lenses. With 4K recording, slow motion, and more, this camera definitely checks a lot of boxes and perfect for many vlog styles. With the simple press of a button, capture amazing videos with ease and simplicity. You can also take 20 megapixel pictures, create time lapses, and this camera is also IP56 waterproof. Certainly worth checking out. Visit the link in the description to learn more.